gusto nyo na bumalik sa Panginoon.
Okay. Sir, ayan. So nakikita natin mga kapatid dumarating si Senator
Nandito na po sa plenaryo si Senator Joel Villanueva mula sa kampo ng Cayetano Block. Kinumpirma ito ni Senator Mig Zubiri na magkakaroon na ng 13 ngayong araw na ito. Nakikita natin mga kapartner at sinalong ng mga miyembro ng Gatchalian Block at
Okay. So mga kapatid, ang nakita natin yung Senator Joel Villanueva na pumasok dito sa may plenaryo, ano?
yan mga kapatid, nakikita natin ang pagpasok ni Senator Joel Villanueva sa loob ng plenary hall at sinalubong nitong mga miyembro ng Gatchalian Block. Kanina lamang ay kinumpirma nga ni Senator Mig Zubiri na magkakaroon nga ng 13 ang Gatchalian Block para magpatuloy itong pagpapalit liderato dito sa Senado. Nandito sa loob ng plenary hall ay ang mga senador na sina Senator Tito Soto, Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Bam Aquino, JV Ejercito, Migs Zubiri, Rafi Tulfo, Erwin Tulfo, Senator Lito Lapid at si Senator Rita Sahon at ang itong si Senator Joel Villanueva na mukhang magiging miyembro na nga nitong Gatchalian Block, pang-13 Gatchalian Block. Sa ngayon, 13 senador ang nasa loob na or present dito sa session hall at wala pa tayong namamataan na mula sa Cayetano Block, ng mga senador mula sa Cayetano Block. As of now, mga kapartner, 9:15 na ang nakatakdang special session dito sa Senado ay alas 9. Sa ngayon ay wala pang mga miyembro mula sa Gatchalian Block o Cayetano Block at mga kapartner, ito na nga magsisimula na ang ating special session dito sa Senado.
Amen. The Secretary will please call the roll.
The Honorable Senator Aquino, Senator Cayetano Alan, Senator Cayetano Pia, Senator De La Rosa, Senator Ejercito, Senator Escudero, Senator Estrada, Senator Go, Senator Ontiveros, Senator Lacson, Senator Lapid, Senator Legarda, Senator Marcoleta, Senator Marcos, Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto III, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camille, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, Senate President Pro Tempore Gatchalian.
With 13 senators present, the chair declares a quorum.
Mr. President.
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, I move that we proceed with the election of the Senate President of the Philippines. I so move.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the election of the Senate President is now in order.
Mr. President, I move to, if I may be able to be recognized to nominate our Senate President.
Yes, we recognize the Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I rise today to nominate Senate President Pro Temp Sherwin Gatchalian as the President of the Senate of the Philippines. Throughout his public service career as member of the House of Representatives, as mayor of Valenzuela City, and as senator, he has consistently proven his competence, his effective leadership, and his unparalleled work ethic. Siya nga po palagi ang nagsasara ng Senado, staying late in his office even after adjournment. As a matter of fact, Mr. President, I hear complaints from your staff that hindi na po sila nakakauwi ng disenteng oras dahil overwork daw sila, overwork. At palagi nilang tinatanong sa akin, kailan ko daw siya mahahanap ng girlfriend para makauwi daw ng mas maaga. Kaya, Mr. President, ikaw nga po daw ang sinasabi niya nagsasara ng Senado na wala na pong staff, ikaw na lang po naiiwan. And that just shows your dedication, Mr. President, on how hardworking you are in preparing for the days ahead. He has ably led some of our most demanding and time-consuming and consequential committees, namely the Committee on Energy, the Committee on Economic Affairs, the Committee on Basic Education, and most notably, the Committee on Finance. As Finance Chair, he had navigated the very challenging period in the wake of flood control scams coming into light. But he led the Finance Committee with great resolve, spearheading unprecedented initiatives to ensure accountability and transparency in the national budget. I believe that this last budget, my dear colleagues, was one of the most transparent in recent history. As a matter of fact, whatever projects that we wanted to insert or amend into the budget, we had to come up with voluminous requirements and documents coming from the agencies themselves and the receiving bodies like the LGUs. And that was the request, not just the request, it was the demand of then Finance Chair Wing Gatchalian. He's the leader that the Senate needs in this time of division and disarray, and he has done this before. I know he'll be able to rise above the fray and lead us back to our principal function, which is to attend to the work of legislation. I have every confidence that as Senate President, he'll be able to set the institution back on the right path, guided by the highest standards of service, integrity, and morality. To my colleagues, I plead, let us elect Senate President Gatchalian and let us get back to our work in this hallowed institution. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. And maybe we don't need to put it to a vote, Mr. President. Maybe we can do it by acclamation, Mr. President. Ayes and nays would be fine. I so move, Mr. President.
So,
And I move
although
to close. There are no other nominees for Senate President. I move to close the period of nomination.
any objection? Hearing none, the nominations are closed.
Therefore, Mr. President, we'd like to
Therefore-
congratulate.
Ye, as you said, for,
Yes.
to vote
Ayes and
will,
nays.
as acclamation. All those in favor of Senator Sherwin Gatchalian as Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines, say aye. Aye. All those against, say nay. The ayes have it. Senator Sherwin Gatchalian is declared Senate President of the Republic of the Philippines. May we ask Senator Gatchalian to, before that,